Hey, I'm Alex, and today I'm going to show you how to make Spanish fried egg. The difference between this and sunny side up is sunny side up use butter, we're going to use olive oil. Obviously, you need first olive oil, 1 or 2 eggs, a spatula or a spoon, whatever is your preference. Now let's get cooking. First, grab your frying pan, put it on top of the stove, and put it at medium heat. After a good 2 minutes, if you can feel the heat from the frying pan, you know it's ready. So grab your olive oil, put it on top of the frying pan, and coat it. After coating the frying pan, crack an egg and put it on top of the frying pan. Some people like to flip their egg so it will be fully cooked and they will not be eating whites, uncooked whites. I like to grab a spoon or spatula and try to remove the whites on top of the cooked whites and put it on the side so it will be cooked. If you don't feel like removing whites because it might take a little bit too long or it's too difficult for you, then try strategy B. Strategy B is the same steps of strategy A, but when you see like everything's cooked, it's just the whites, you flip it. And by the way, while I was trying to flip it, I got burnt, which made me not correctly crack the egg, which also led to me breaking the yolk. So this warning now, try to be careful. And second and lastly, if you're flipping it, try to use a bigger spatula than the spatula I showed you earlier, because you may not know how big your egg could be. So as you can see, halfway I realized I need to grab a bigger spatula, so that's why I stopped suddenly.
And that's all for this video. I hope you've learned how to make Spanish fried eggs by either flipping it or removing the white. I hope this video was useful for you, and be on the lookout for my next video. Capiche, and bye.